everyone. Today we have to learn subject maths. Chapter number 4 simple equation. So dear student, open the textbook. Chapter number 4 simple equation and page number 86. Exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 question number 1. Give the first step you will use to separate the variables and solve the equation. Question number 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 गिव द फर्स्ट स्टेप. वो फर्स्ट स्टेप हमें राइट डाउन करना है. यू विल यूज टू सेपरेट. यू विल यूज यानी कि आप जो वो यूज कर रहे हो सेपरेट करने के लिए द वेरिएबल एंड सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. सो सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. सॉल्व द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solving equation में you have to find out the value x. You have to find out value x. That means minus 1 को separate करना होगा. You have to find out the variable x. Okay, equation में so variable so many we have the so many variable a to z. So in this equation variable x, some example में variable y, z, a, b, etc. whatever हो सकता है. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x की value find out करनी, that means minus 1 को हमें separate करना है. You have the separate number minus 1. So minus 1 moving the transposing करेंगे. ट्रांसपोजिंग इक्वल और ये हमारा हैंड कौन सा है राइट है. सो वी हैव टू ट्रांसपोजिंग राइट हैंड साइड. माइनस 1 को ट्रांसपोजिंग करेंगे. यू हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म. सो माइनस डिजिट विल बी पॉजिटिव डिजिट. माइनस डिजिट विल बी प्लस. सो x is equal to 0. Minus number we get plus 1 number. See the step x as it is equal to as it is 0 as it is. Only we have the transfer minus 1 to right hand side. हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या किया, minus 1 को ट्रांसपोजिंग किया. सो minus 1 डिजिट प्लस 1 डिजिट हो गया. अगेन x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find out variable x. So x minus 1 separate the minus 1. So minus 1 को हम सेपरेट करेंगे. सो वो फर्स्ट स्टेप हम क्या यूज करेंगे, यूज द minus 1 को ट्रांसपोजिंग करेंगे राइट हैंड साइड. इक्वल टू हमारे पास टू साइड इक्वल टू की ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हुई और ये जो राइट हैंड है वो राइट हैंड साइड. सो minus 1 को ट्रांसपोजिंग किया. सो 0 plus 1 we get 1 and x. सेंटर में साइन इक्वल टू है. सो फर्स्ट में हम therefore रखेंगे. ओके, सो therefore x is equal to 1. इजी है. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, minus 1 ट्रांसपोजिंग टू राइट हैंड साइड, इट इज a plus 1. ओके, देन आफ्टर number b x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find out variable x. So separate the plus 1. So we have to transposing plus 1 to right hand side. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find out the variable x. So separate the plus 1. So plus 1 transposing to plus 1 right hand side. So x is equal to x as it is equal to as it is 0 as it is. प्लस 1 ट्रांसपोजिंग हो जाएगा. सो इट इज अ माइनस 1. ओके, ट्रांसपोजिंग में ओनली साइन चेंज होगी. ओके, वी हैव टू साइन चेंज. प्लस माइनस साइन विल बी प्लस साइन एंड प्लस साइन विल बी माइनस साइन. ओके, सो x is equal to 0 minus 1 we get minus 1. 1 minus 0, so 1, but 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then after number C, okay, solving the equation, we have to find out the variable x and separate this number. So separate, that means transpose into right hand side. So sign will be changed. इतना ही करना है. Okay. Then third one is x minus 1 is equal to 5. Number C, x minus 1 is equal to 5. So we have to find out variable x. So separate the minus 1. Now x as it is equal to as it is, 5 as it is. We have to find out variable x. That means x term single होना चाहिए. So minus 1 we have to transpose it. So minus 1 transposing is a plus 1 number. So therefore x is equal to 5 plus 1 we get 6. Okay, x minus 1 is equal to 5. We have to find out variable x. So separate the minus 1. So transposing minus 1 to right hand side. So minus 1 will be plus 1. So 5 plus 1 we get 6. So therefore x is equal to 6. Okay. Then number D. X plus 6 is equal to 2. We have to find out variable x. So separate the plus 6. Okay, you have to find out variable x. So variable x term single होनी चाहिए. But here x plus 6 two terms. X plus 6 two terms. So separate the plus 6. Separate the plus 6. So x is equal to 2 plus 6 transposing to right hand side. So it is a minus 6 plus 6 transposing to right hand side. So it is a minus 6. So therefore x is equal to 2 minus 6 we get minus 4. 2 minus 6 we get minus 4. Why? Because 2 minus 6 is not possible. Because 2 is a small number and 6 is a big number. So subtraction is not possible. But we have to try the minus. So 6 minus 2, 4. And last, put the sign big number. So big number is 6 and 6 is negative. So our answer is negative. Okay. Then number E. Number E. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So we have to find out variable y. So separate the minus 4. Separate the minus 4. So y is equal to minus 7 and minus 4 number we get plus 4 number. Why? Because my transposing to right hand side, so sign will be changed. Transposing to any digit to right hand side, so sign will be changed. Minus number will be plus number and plus number will be minus number. So therefore y is equal to minus plus. Minus plus we get minus, that means two numbers का हम minus करेंगे. Minus plus we get minus, that means we have to subtract these two numbers. So 7 minus 4 we get 3. So 7 minus 4 we get 3 and here is big number 7 and it is a negative. So our answer is negative. Okay, easy. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 as it is. Y term as it is equal to as it is minus 7 as it is. Only transposing minus 4 to right hand side. So minus 4 will be plus 4. And y is equal to minus plus we get minus, that means 7 minus 4 we get 3 and here is 7 is big and big number is negative, so our answer is negative. Then after number F. Number F, y minus 4 is equal to 4. We have to find out the variable y. So separate the minus 4. So y term as it is equal to as it is 4 as it is. and transposing minus 4 to right hand side. Transposing minus 4 to right hand side. So it is a plus 4. So therefore y is equal to 4 plus 4 we get 8. Again y minus 4 is equal to 4. We have to find out variable y. So separate the minus 4. So transposing minus 4 to right hand side. So minus 4 digit will be plus 4 digit, and 4 plus 4 we get 8. So question number 1, you have to do G and H homework. Okay. Then after question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is also solving the equation, but equation is different. Number 8. 3L is equal to 14. You can see that here is no one side, but dot product, multiply product is here. So 3L, that means 3 multiplied by L is equal to 42. And always we remember, multiply by multiple number is always divided number. You have to transpose in multiply number to right hand side. So always be divided number. Okay. So therefore L is equal to 42 and multiple number, it is a divided number. Again we have to find out the variable L. So separate the number 3, but number 3 is a multiply number, and you have to remember if multiply by multiple number is always be divided number. Multiple number you have to transpose into right hand side, so it is a divided number. Then after that L is equal to 42 upon 3. So simple cancellation, 42 divided 3. So 3 ones are 3, 1, 2, 3, 4s are 12. So 4 3s are 42. So 3 3 it is a cancel out. So therefore L is equal to 14. Easy it. Equation number 1. Question number 1. In this equation type plus and minus, and question number 2 equation type multiply or divided product. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में इक्वेशन की टाइपिंग क्या थी, प्लस इक्वेशन थी और माइनस इक्वेशन थी. एंड इन दिस सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में इक्वेशन टाइपिंग मल्टीप्लाई नंबर है और डिवाइडेड नंबर. नंबर बी b divided 2 is equal to 6. b divided 2 b upon 2. Okay, b divided 2 b upon 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to find out variable b. So separate the number 2. Right hand side. But here is number 2 divided number. So divided number will be multiply number. So therefore b is equal to 6, or divided number we get will be multiplied by number. So therefore b is equal to 12. Again b upon 2 is equal to 6. We have to find out variable b, but here is 2 is divided, so separate the number 2 and number 2 divided. So number 2 transposing to right hand side, so it is a multiply by number, so it is a multiple number. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, easy है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में प्लस डिजिट को ट्रांसपोजिंग करते थे, सो इट इज अ माइनस डिजिट और माइनस विल बी प्लस. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मल्टीप्लाई नंबर, इट इज अ डिवाइडेड नंबर, एंड इनवर्स प्रोसेस डिवाइडेड नंबर विल बी मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, देन नंबर सी. P upon 7 is equal to 4. Here is find out the variable P. So separate the number 7. But look at this. Number 7 is a divided number. So we have to transpose in right hand side. So it is a multiply number. So therefore P is equal to 4 multiplied by 7. Okay. Divided number multiply and multiply by number divided. Okay. Converse process and reverse process. So therefore P is equal to 4 sevens are 28. Okay. So A, B, C over here, D homework, E is also homework. Now let's try the question number F. Number F. Z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. Z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. Okay. In this equation, we have to find out variable z. We have to find out the variable z. So, separate the divided number 3.